Now, just like Mahomes and Garoppolo, Adobe and Salesforce are on a collision course. Lately, both companies have been encroaching on each other's turf. They used to be companies with specific products. Now they offer entire platforms for small and medium-sized businesses, and then increasingly puts them in competition. I think this could become one of the great rivalries in tech for the next 5 to 10 years. So who wins? How about a statistical approach? No emotions. First, the growth rate. Adobe's projected to grow its sales at 18% clip this year. That number's slowing to 16% next year, maybe 14% in 2022. Salesforce is the better numbers here, 23% growth in 2020 calendar year, followed by 19% next year, maybe 20% in 2022. On the other hand, Adobe has much higher margins. It's also got the cheaper stock. Adobe's trading at 30 times next year's earnings estimates versus 46 times earnings for Salesforce. Although that higher valuation is not hard to justify because Wall Street loves growth. And boy, do they have growth. How about their total addressable market, or TAM? At its Analyst Day last November, Adobe projected that they'll have a $128 billion total addressable market by 2022. Last year, they only had $11 billion of that sales. At around the same time, Salesforce posted a $168 billion total addressable market, up from $140 billion the year before, versus $13 billion in sales. They both have a ton of room to grow, although it looks like Salesforce has more room to grow. So which one's the better bet? I got to be honest. I'm punting on this one. While I'll be rooting for the Chiefs on Sunday, I can't pick between Salesforce and Adobe. They are both great. They just appeal to different constituencies. Adobe's the Pat Mahomes of the software space. It's fun, creative, company that's become an incredible performer in recent years. They want to be the arbiter of how digital advertising looks and feels, and they're finding tremendous success with that strategy and with e-commerce and with any sort of omnichannel strategy. Salesforce is more like Garoppolo. It's the game manager of software companies. They're comfortable enough with their own solutions that they want their clients to use them to become better at connecting with the customer. Their job is to distribute the ball efficiently in favor of the clients and not make any mistakes. And that's a fabulous stock. The bottom line, as this market sells off, and like I said, it's going to, on the coronavirus outbreak, well, let's just pray that Adobe and Salesforce get sacked, so that you can buy one of them into weakness, because these are both phenomenal players.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.